Hey, buddy. So, Aiden's been getting he's been getting into too much stuff, so we decided to tape his little arms down. So, here, you want this?
Hold on. Aiden!
Ah, la, la, la. It's just a toy, though. I get it.
Use your arms, Aiden. We're so mean. Baby person. Aiden.
I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. You can't do anything about it.
Like you could before. Alright, we're out.